Hey guys, it's Stephanie with LivingWell Realty. I'm back out here at one of my buyer's build jobs. It's with American Legend and it's the 1686 floor plan. They do actually have a model in Union Park if you'd like to check that out. But as you can see behind me, a lot has been done since the last time I came to video. We actually are getting ready to close in a couple weeks. So let's flip this baby around and see what's going on inside. So the house is basically finished. There's a couple things on the inside, you know, cleaning up and a little things here and there that they have to do. But as you can see, everything is good to go on the exterior. Landscaping's been put in, you know, all the brick and trim, shutters, everything's complete there. So let's walk up and take a peek inside. So they have the flooring in, but they just have this cardboard over it, you know, because people are still working throughout the house. So you can kind of see the color there. It's like a light wood color, very pretty. So entering the home, we have the office here with the double doors to the right. A lot of light coming in. And then to the left here, we actually have a little hallway with a full bath here. And this is a shower only. And then a secondary bedroom in front of the house here. Nice walk-in closet. And then that's just a linen closet. So we'll go down this hallway to the right. This just leads to the garage. And then you can see like a mud bench area. And then right here to the left is the utility room. It's a very, very big utility room. And then leading into the kitchen, they have all the tile-in appliances. And then there's a breakfast nook, open living space. They just painted around the fireplace, so they have the plastic there. Nice open 2-story living. Very nice. So we can head back here to the primary suite. Mostly everything in here is complete. We have all the tile and fixtures in. Nice big window. There's so much light in here. And then the walk-in closet. And this actually was an inventory home. And all the interior selections were already chosen. That's one thing I do love about American Legend. Like all the fixtures and finish outs for their inventory homes are already wonderful. So you literally you don't have to change anything. That's one thing that they do very well. So going upstairs, there's a big open game room, and then a media room. Very big space. And then there's 2 additional bedrooms up here and a full bath. If you need help with any homes in the Collin County or Denton County areas, please feel free to reach out. I would love to help you and your family.